Gang, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a classic bold red lip. I'm also going to be pairing that with a nice winged eyeliner. It's the Christmas season and this is the perfect time to get glam. So I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to achieve this look. This video is sponsored by BGA and all the products used today are going to be Maybelline. You can find all of these products at Phoenix on Reid Street. Let's get right into it. So for starters, I'm going to be using this beautiful Cala brush set. It comes with this nice pouch. They're very affordable and compact. You can carry these with you anywhere you go. So my skin is already prepped. First, I'm going to start by using this Maybelline Super Stay Concealer on the eyes before we put down the eyeshadow. So today we'll be using the Super Stay Concealer as an eyeshadow base. Just think of an eyeshadow base as the perfect way to bring your eyeshadow to life. This is definitely full coverage, so you want to make sure to blend right away to prevent any creasing. For the eyes, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Matte Bar Palette. So to start off this look, I'm going to begin by shaping the eyes. To do that, I'm using the darkest shade in this palette. Next, I'm going to be using this shade to create just a little more dimension, and I'm going to drag that all the way down to the inner corner of my eye and to the bridge of my nose. Yep, you guessed it. I'm starting to contour. So now that that's done, I'm going to be taking this shade and opening up the eyes. You want to make sure to put this on the base of the eyelid. Oh, and don't forget to blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm going to be taking my Master Chrome highlighter and using this as a fun eyeshadow topper. Makeup is fun. You don't always have to follow the rules. Next, I'm going to go ahead and draw my winged eyeliner. I know this can be tricky, but my best advice is to take your time. And you can also use a light brown eyeshadow just to get the placement of the wing before you add the black. Next, I'm going to be taking the tattoo eyeliner pencil and I'm going to fill in my waterline. Next, I applied a thin layer of color corrector. Today for foundation, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Super Stay. Now, this orange is a little crazy, isn't it? I'm going to be using some of my foundation base to kind of neutralize this color. Once that is blended, then I'm going to go ahead and take my Maybelline Adri Wine Concealer and place it on top. This gives us double coverage and makes sure that everything is nice and seamless. Next, to set everything in place, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Oil-Free Loose Powder. I really love how translucent this powder is. Next, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Contour Palette. I'm going to start with the darkest shade and begin to contour. I'm contouring beneath the cheekbone just to kind of shape the face. Next, I'm going to take this brush and just buff everything out with the blush and the highlight combined. Today for the lip, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Ruby for Me. Now it's time for brows. Before I start, I just wanted to go ahead and brush the brows so that the hairs are all going in the same direction. Today for the brows, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Brow Extensions. Whenever you're filling in brows, you want to make sure that you do it very gently so that the lines are not harsh. Next, for the mascara, I'm going to be using the Falsies Lash Lift. Last but not least, I'm going to be using the Eye Envy Lashes in 110. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like this look. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.